What's up, everyone? I'm back with another video, but this time I have a better audio. I am using the RØDE II wireless mic. I'm gonna go around the neighborhood so I can test out the sound, see how well it sounds. Right now I have the front of the helmet open, so hopefully we don't hear any noise or anything like that from the wind. I'm just gonna test it out to see what it sounds like. I am also using my GoPro camera to record, so let's see how well it sounds. I'm gonna see if I need to get another microphone or if I should keep the same one. This is only my second video recording with this little scooter. Every time I get on it, I feel like I'm flying. Last time I ran out of gas, but I realized why. It was because I didn't put too much gas. I got like close to 30 miles or so. I think it was less than a quart that was on it, so it was not too much. Last time it was sputtering really bad. I thought I messed up the engine or something. I was like, well, it only requires one quart of oil, but I thought I didn't put enough. But that was not the problem. It was just that I ran out of gas. I'm gonna cover up the helmet, see what it sounds like this time. See which sounds better. I'm just gonna make a little loop right quick and go around the neighborhood. This is what it sounds like with the helmet covered. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. I am using the RØDE microphone with the dead cat that you put on it, little fluffy thing that you put on top of it. I have never been this area right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and see what it sounds like, see which one's better, if it actually sounds pretty good. I have it just a little bit under the part where the air comes in, so I'm gonna find out what it sounds like right about now. Okay, so the face mask is open again. Let's see what it sounds like this time. Checking to see if there's any traffic or anything like that. It was raining earlier, so that's why it looks wet out here. This is like the third time I rode through here. Feel like I'm flying. I'm only going 35 miles an hour. It's crazy. I also have a KLR 250. I'm gonna do some videos soon. It's crazy. People got junk everywhere. I'm testing to see if I need to bring the microphone down just a little bit. This scooter only has 7,000 miles on it, and it's 2005. It's a 125 Yamaha. Hopefully we're getting good sound. I'm gonna find out which one works best. If maybe I need to bring the microphone down a little bit or something. Hopefully it's not too loud. This is what this little neighborhood looks like. I hardly go out here because I never had any reason to come this way. I was thinking maybe I should go to Nashville soon and start making some videos with this helmet on and this GoPro, so I can show you around the city and stuff. I'm going close to, I'm still going around 35. I'm gonna go down this way to the right. Hold on, there's no cars coming, which is awesome. Hopefully, like I said, the sound is pretty good. I'm starting to go close. Yeah, I'm still going around 30. But it sounds like a whistling sound, so I don't know how well it's gonna sound. I'm gonna go ahead and cover the face up, see if that makes any big difference or not. Gotta put my blinker and make sure there's nobody coming, because I don't want to get run over in this little thing, because there's nobody coming that way. So smells so good. It smells like honey right now. Went to the little, oh shoot, I'm not even paying attention. I was gonna say I went to the little under the bridge not too long ago, maybe like a month ago, to see what was down there, and there was really nothing down there. Me and my sister and her kids went down there just to see what was down there. Well, I think this is where I'm gonna turn around. Right here on this right side, somebody's driveway. Hopefully they don't get mad. Make sure there's no cars behind me. Nope. Just turn around. Oh shoot, what am I doing? I'm gonna have to go through the grass. Who cares? All right, we're back on the road once again. I think it feels a lot better with the face covered up. That way the wind doesn't come through. But hopefully it's not too loud though. I feel like a professional motorcycle rider. I gotta fix my helmet. My mirror and stuff. On my left mirror is starting to move a little bit with the wind. Let's make a little stop right quick. Okay, so there's a car coming, so I'm gonna stop right here. It looks like they're turning, so I can go now. This road, they fixed it up not too long ago. It'd be a perfect spot to be skateboarding, but sometimes the big trucks with the gravel pass through here and it's a little dangerous, so I try not to skateboard on it, making sure there's no cars behind me. Usually if there is, what I try to do, I just try to pull over because I don't like to go too fast. I enjoy cruising. I think I'm gonna go back this way. Then I'm gonna head to the house in a little bit. It's crazy how many people are in this world. It's too many. It's crazy. And everybody lives somewhere, and that's wild to think about. So, okay, let's make a little right here. Oh, look, some motorcycles, some real ones. Well, this is I think a real one too. It just doesn't go as fast. Let's go on the next road and make a right. Hopefully the sound is pretty awesome. I'm glad it's not raining right now, but it was supposed to be raining earlier, so they said it's gonna rain for the next 3 days or something like that. But the weather dropped close to 20 degrees, and it feels so amazing right now. I had to wave at the neighbor behind. He was just chilling on his porch right now. Okay, well, y'all have a great time wherever you are, and I'll speak to y'all next time. I will have the links for the things that I use on the video, so if y'all need to purchase them, they're going to be in the description area. So y'all take care, everyone. Peace. Hopefully nobody's coming behind me because I don't want to get run over. Alrighty then, we have